Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your ESPN Plus subscription step by step clearly. First, check how you originally signed up for ESPN Plus because the cancellation method depends on the billing provider. If you subscribe directly on ESPN Plus, open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to ESPN.com. Click Login at the top right and sign in with the same account you use for ESPN Plus. After you are logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select ESPN account from the menu to open your account settings. Find and click Billing or Manage Subscription, depending on what you see on the page. Locate your ESPN Plus subscription details and click Cancel Subscription. When a confirmation screen appears, read the message about your access end date. Click Confirm Cancel to finish the cancellation on ESPN Plus. Now, if you subscribed through Disney Plus, open a browser and go to Disney+.com. Log into the Disney Plus account that is paying for ESPN Plus. Click your profile icon and choose Account. Under Subscription, select your bundle or plan that includes ESPN Plus. Click Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. If you subscribed on an iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app. Tap your name at the top. Then tap Subscriptions. Find ESPN Plus or the Disney bundle in the list and tap it. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm when asked. If you subscribed on Android, open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon. Then choose Payments and Subscriptions. Then Subscriptions. Select ESPN Plus or the bundle you are billed for and tap Cancel Subscription. Follow the on-screen steps and confirm the cancellation. If you subscribed through Roku, go to My Roku.com in a browser and sign in. Click Manage Your Subscriptions and find ESPN Plus. Choose Unsubscribe and confirm to cancel. After canceling, check for a confirmation email or a confirmation message on the screen. Keep in mind you usually keep access until the end of your current billing period. If you do not see a cancel button, you may be logged into the wrong account or using a different billing provider. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.